Hey guys, it's Amanda with busyboymom.com and I wanted to show you an unboxing video. I recently joined a company called GelMoment that does gel manicures at home, and I wanted to show you what I got in the enrollment kit. So it came in this pretty nondescript box, but inside the box you got this lovely GelMoment box that has all your goodies in it. Stay tuned and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so this is everything that came in my enrollment kit. As you can see, the box is perfect size to hold all of your supplies, and it comes with a little key that you might want to lock if you have littles like I do. You get a lot of literature. Your GelMoment order forms are right there, leadership program information, as well as business opportunity, distributor guide, party guides, how to apply the polish, and a note from the corporate office. You also receive an LED mini lamp, and this one cures in 60 seconds. You receive the nail cleaners, 50 of them, and a pack of 100 of the nail polish removers. You receive the styling strips, so these are like fun to add some elements to your nails. You get 2 nail files, a cuticle pusher, some samples of the more popular colors, I believe, and then some samples of their skincare products, as well as these are the 2 colors that I got in my kit. Now, I think all kits vary depending upon when you get it and supply that they have, but I received the Wisteria Grove, which is like a purple glitter, and Cupcakes and Heels, which is like a Barbie pink. I actually did go ahead and do my nails last night when I got it, and this is the result of my first application of GelMoment. So this is the Wisteria Grove right here. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. You can see it's just a really pretty glitter. And then Cupcakes and Heels is this pinky color right here. I also might take the Wisteria Grove and put one application over one of the Cupcakes and Heels, because you can take these glitters because they're really fine. This is actually 2 coats, but the first coat was a pretty thin coat, and you can layer them over some of the other colors to make your own color. So that's it. That's everything I received for the enrollment package, and this is for the United States. They do also have packages for Canada, the UK, and Australia. So I imagine those particular packages may include literature that's a little bit different, but I think they all come with all the basic products. I will share more about my experience as I test out my nails and try different colors. So stay tuned for more on that.